Hi, I'm Rachel with Ally Safety, and I make safety videos. I grew up in a family-owned logging and excavation business. My dad taught me how to work hard, and my mom gave me a sense of humor. In small business, everything is about being practical, resourceful, and putting your knowledge to work. When I went out to work after college, I took that same mindset with me in my career in safety. Since then, I've been on jobs that were too remote to get help when we needed it. I've lost family in accidents, and I know what it's like to get that call. I've also seen what happens when people don't understand the hazards of their work. When I started out in safety, I'd sit in safety training like a lot of you and look around at groups of people who couldn't pay attention because the material was too dry. It was all text. It didn't resonate, and worst of all, it talked down to the people doing the work rather than respecting them and their experience. I created Ally Safety to be your ally in workplace safety, meaning someone that's on your side, someone that appreciates the incredible work that's accomplished every day in our industries. The beauty in the places that we work, the challenges of applying workplace safety rules, and the why behind the how when it comes to safety. My videos are created to demonstrate rather than tell. Explore rather than explain and lecture. And replace zoning out for tuning in. Because great training results in safer workplaces. And that not only makes life better for us at work, it helps our families and our communities. I'm not trying to change the world. I'm just trying to make my corner of it better. And that corner is workplace safety.